Hello, in this video we are going to look at lists in Python. Lists are just like these really amazing, compound data types, and a list will just contain several items and they're essentially separated by commas and they're usually contained within square brackets. And the values in the list can easily be accessed using something called a slice operator and based on indexes as well. We're going to cover all of that. So first of all, let's actually create a list. So I want to call it awesome list, and again just equals assignment operator plus square brackets. I would like to close it, open it and end it first and then put it inside. Now put quotation marks and we could put a string in here. So let's say hello. We could put a number in here, so I don't know, 45. Let's put another string. I'll put hello world for this one, or just world. And let's put a decimal, 4.5. And I think that's enough. You get the picture of how to add them. And now, if we want to access it, so let's print off awesome list. So let's just print it off as it is. So not accessing any particular elements. Click run. So submission is queued. This shouldn't take very long, just a few seconds. And so it says missing parentheses in call to print. So missing parentheses. Look at that. So running again. Okay, so it's printed off all of our list. And how would we print off a single element? As I mentioned before, pretty much everything in computer science, including programming, started at 0. So the first element will be 0. So if I put in 0, and I'll do another print, I'll put in, let's say 3. So that will be the fourth element because it starts at 0. So it's just n, which is the number we provide, plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to print off this right here. And we can also print elements, all at once as well. So if I were to do print, 0:2. So this basically prints the elements starting at, the first one till the third one. And as you saw in the previous video with the variable types with the string, you can also print off the rest of the data as well. So you can start at the index, just put colon, and you'll print it off till the end. So I want you to do that as an extra task. I forgot one thing. You actually meant to specify the list itself, then square brackets, and this is the slice operator. So that would have given us errors. Luckily I saw that. So again, awesome list, put square brackets, and now what you can also do is, let's say if I were to multiply this by 8, it would print out the list 8 times. So that's really cool as well. And what you can also do is concatenate lists. So if you have two lists, just add them together. You can concatenate them. So I could do awesome list, concatenating, putting them together all at once. So again, do that as an extra task. We're just going to use these 4 lines and run it and see what we get. And there we go, we got hello 4.5, and it printed off the elements as well. So it's not including the final one, so that's the end point, but it doesn't include that one, so it's something to bear in mind. That's it for lists. Thanks for watching this Python video, and I'll see you in the next awesome programming tutorial.